This is the Rockpar TRI Compact Par Can Wash Light. This light is perfect for DJs, bars, clubs, restaurants, trade shows, house parties, stage professionals, and other commercial applications. This light features 12 tri-color LEDs that are super bright, and each LED can change to the colors of red, green, and blue, which means you can get thousands of color combinations and they will all be super vibrant and bright. The Rockpar TRI is available in two different colors of black and white, and every Rockpar TRI comes with a bracket that can be used to truss mount the light with a light clamp and also to angle the light in different positions for wall washing. You attach it to the light by screwing in these two hand tightening knobs into the side of the light like this. The light also comes with a remote that allows you to select different modes for the light. There's an auto mode, there's a strobe mode, there's a fade mode, and there's also a sound mode which will utilize the built-in microphone on the light to change the color of the light to the beat of music or any sound in general. Now moving on to the light itself, let's take a look at the back first. So over here we have our on and off switch, and then over here we have an LED display with 4 buttons underneath to toggle through the menu and different functions and controls of the light. Now this light can be used for wall washing by placing it on its back like this to use in floor operation mode, against a wall, inside a totem, or even to illuminate the inside of a DJ facade. You can use the attachable bracket to angle the light in different positions to give you different wall wash and stage effects, or you can even use the bracket to attach it to one of our lighting clamps and hang it off of a truss. Now over here we have our standard DMX in and DMX out. You can use these ins and outs to connect to a DMX controller and control the light in DMX mode. There's a 7-channel DMX mode which will give you control over a bunch of different lighting functions, but you can also use the DMX capabilities to control multiple Rockpar TRIs in master-slave mode for a coordinated effect. By setting multiple Rockpar TRIs to the same DMX address and connecting them with a DMX cable, you can then use the remote with the master light and it will control all of the lights together. This even works for different sound modes so that all of the lights will be moving perfectly in sync. Now this light is extremely versatile. You can use it to wall wash and uplight different rooms in your club or party hall, to illuminate your DJ facade or totem speaker stands, or you can truss mount it and use it in stage design to integrate it with the other effect lights in your setup. So if you're looking for an extremely bright, compact par can wash light, look no further than the Rockpar TRI Black and White from Rockville.